Welcome to Akshara Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss class 10th Human Eye and Colorful World AP and TS State. Application of concepts, question and answers and MCQs, multiple choice questions. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Please share your valuable comments in the comment section. Okay, let us go to the today's session. First one. Incident ray on one of the face AB of a prism and emergent ray from the face AC are given figure 1. Complete the ray diagram. Let's see this figure. This is the figure. This is mirror. BC is a mirror and one of the face AB of a prism. This is the face of the prism. Emergent ray from this face is AC is the emergent ray. Now we have to complete this ray diagram. This is the complete ray diagram. This is PQ is the incident ray and QR1 here it is normal. Q is the normal. First incident ray, PQ is the incident ray. Whenever the incident ray falls on the surface of the prism and then it refracts. So here this is the angle of refraction R1, angle of incidence I1. Here we are drawing the normal, that is perpendicular line Q. And next again we are incidenting the refracted ray. Now it becomes the incident ray, that is QR, and then here this is the mirror and it reflects. Theta are the angle of incidence and angle of reflection, and again here RS is the incident ray and here this is the one face of the prism and again it refracts. So here this is normal. Here we are drawing the normal at S, angle of emergence and angle of refraction. Here angle of emergence nothing but here angle of refraction I1 and I2. Theta, here theta is equals to theta. Here in this plane mirror, according to laws of reflection, angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection. Angle I is equals to angle R. Here angle theta is equals to theta. Here this is the complete diagram. PQ is the incident ray and here ST is the emergent ray. Incident ray falls on the one face of the prism, it refracts and this is the incident ray and again it reflects. Here we place the mirror and again it refracts. This is the emergent ray. So this is the complete ray diagram of this given figure. Okay, next. Here explaining the terms. PQ is equals to incident ray, QR refractor ray, RS internal reflector ray, ST emergent ray, I1 denotes the angle of incidence and I2 denotes the angle of emergence, R1 angle of refraction, R2 angle of refraction. Okay, next one. Glass is known to be a transparent material, but ground glass is opaque and white in color. Why? Here we know that glass is a transparent material, but ground glass is opaque and white in color. Let us discuss. Glass is a transparent material, but ground glass is opaque and white in color. Ground glasses prepared by introducing some other materials. So the refractive indices of glass and introducing materials are not same. So that's why when light is incident on ground glass, it undergoes scattering when it passes from glass to other materials. So it become opaque and white in color. ground glasses are prepared by introducing some other materials. So these refractive indices of glass and introducing materials are not same. So that's why when light is incident on ground glass, it undergoes scattering when it passes from glass to other materials. So it become opaque and white in color. Okay. Next, a light ray falls on one of the faces of a prism at an angle of 40 degrees so that it suffers angle of minimum deviation 30 degrees. Find the angle of prism and angle of refraction at the given surface. Here in this question they given that angle of incidence, that is incident angle 40 degrees and angle of minimum deviation 30 degrees. We have to calculate the angle of prism and angle of refraction. Let us go to the solution. Incident angle is equals to 40 degrees. Angle of minimum deviation D is equals to 30 degrees. Let the angle of prism A. At angle of minimum deviation, I1 is equals to I2 and R1 is equals to R2. So, A plus D is equals to 2I. Substituting D and I values in this, we get A plus 30 degrees is equals to 2 into 40 degrees. 240 is 80. So, here A plus 30 is equals to 80. A is equals to 80 minus 30, that is 50 degrees. So, therefore, angle of prism is equals to 50 degrees. Next, you have to calculate angle of refraction. Next, we know that A is equals to R1 plus R2. At minimum deviation, R1 is equals to R2 is equals to R. A is equals to, so in the place of R1, R2, substituting R, then we get R plus R, that is equals to 2R. A is equals to 2R, R is equals to A by 2. What is A? Angle of prism. So, angle of prism here we are getting 50 degrees. So, substituting that we get R is equals to 50 degrees by 2. 2 ones 2 25. So, R is equals to 25 degrees. Therefore, angle of refraction R is equals to 25 degrees. So, at last angle of prism A is equals to 50 degrees and angle of refraction R is equals to 25 degrees. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. Next one, the focal length of a lens suggested to a person with hypermetropia is 100 centimeter. Find the distance of near point and power of a lens. Here in this question, they given the focal length of a lens is 100 centimeters and we have to calculate distance of near point and power of a lens. Let us go to the solution. Given f is equals to, that is focal length of a lens they given as 100 centimeters and let the distance of near point, that is equals to d. We have to calculate the distance of near point. Let the distance of near point, that is equals to d centimeter. So, therefore, V is equals to minus d and U is equals to minus 25. U denotes the object distance, V denotes the image distance. So, from lens formula is 1 by f is equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Substituting f, u, v values in this, 1 by 100 is equals to v nothing but minus d, 1 by v minus 1 by u, v minus d and u minus 25. So, this can be written as 1 by 100 is equals to minus of minus plus. So, 1 by 25 minus 1 by d. So, from this 1 by d is equals to 1 by d is equals to 1 by 25 minus 1 by 100. Now you are taking LCM 100, 25 4 ja minus 1. So that is equals to 3 by 100. Here 1 by d is equals to 3 by 100. So d is equals to 100 by 3. Here 1 by d is equals to 3 by 100. D is equals to 100 by 3. So here 3 3s are 9. So 33.33 centimeters. This is the distance of near point, that is 33.33 centimeters. Now we will calculate power of a lens. So therefore D is equals to 33.33 centimeters. Now we will calculate power of a lens. Power of a lens P is equals to 100 by F in centimeters. So F they given as focal length, they given as 100. 100 gets cancels 1. D denotes the diopter. So therefore power of a lens is equals to power of a lens is equals to 1 diopter. So distance of near point we are getting 33.33 centimeters, and power of a lens 1 diopter. Okay, next we will go to the next one. Multiple choice questions. Let us discuss. Next, the size of an object as perceived on eye depends primarily on actual size of the object, distance of the object from the eye, aperture of the pupil, size of the image formed on the retina. Here, the size of the object as perceived on eye depends primarily on the first, it depends on the distance of the object from the eye. Second option is correct, that is option B is correct. Okay, next, when objects at different distances are seen by the eye, which of the following remains constant? Focal length of the eye lens, object distance from the eye lens, the radii of curvature of the eye lens, image distance from eye lens. Here, when the object at different distances are seen by the eye, the image distance from the eye lens remains constant. Okay, option D is correct. Next, during refraction, which of the following quantity will not change? Wavelength, frequency, speed of light, all of the above. During refraction, frequency will not change. Second option is correct. Next, see this picture here. A ray of light falls on one of the lateral surface of an equilateral glass prism placed on the horizontal surface of a table as shown in the figure. For minimum deviation of the ray, which of the following is true? PQ is horizontal, QR is horizontal, RS is horizontal, either PQ or RS is horizontal. Here for minimum deviation of the ray, this which of the following is correct? So that is QR is horizontal. Option B is correct. Okay. Next, far point of a person is 5 meters. In order that he has normal vision, what kind of spectacle should he use? Concave lens with focal length 5 meters, concave lens with focal length 10 meters, convex lens with focal length 5 meters, convex lens with focal length 2.5 meters. Here, far point of a person is 5 meters. In order to that he has normal vision, what kind of spectacle should he use? Here concave lens with focal length 5 meters he have to use. So option A is correct. Next, the process of re-emission of a absorbed light in all directions with a different intensity is by the atom or molecule is called scattering of light, dispersion of light, reflection of light, refraction of light. Here this process is called scattering of light. So this the process of re-emission of absorbed light in all directions with a different intensity is by the atom or molecule is called scattering of light. Option A is correct. Okay. Thanks for watching this video.